Hello, how are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I had the honor of having a very late breakfast with our very own Miss Frances. She was in town. She had to go to California, so she swung back through Vegas so we could meet up, and we went and had a very late breakfast at what is pretty much basically a Las Vegas landmark. It's a place called Blueberry Hill, and it's family owned. It's been family owned for years, and the food is incredible. So if you've ever come to Vegas and you haven't eaten at Blueberry Hill, you haven't really been here. So there's a couple of them right off the strip. So if you do come to town, go eat there because the food is incredible. Miss Amy's been here for a while, and I just this is the first time I've ever taken her to Blueberry Hill. And she ordered biscuits and gravy because that's how she kind of gears a restaurant. You know, she gauges it by their biscuits and gravy. And they brought out 2 biscuits on a little frying pan kind of thing. And it was 2 biscuits that were 4 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches tall and smothered in homemade gravy. No powdered stuff here. It's all homemade. And she ate about half of it, maybe 2/3. She went, oh, no more. So she's in the other room. I think she's experiencing food coma. Hubbers is in the living room. He definitely has some food coma. And I figured on the way home, I was like, we need to walk some of this off. So I veered over to one of my favorite stores that I haven't been to in a while. I had a tingle. I did. So I went over, and sure enough, I walked in. First thing I found was this. These are file folders, and I have 900,000 file folders, okay? But these are scented with vanilla, and they really are. So I grabbed those, and I'm going to apologize if this video gets blurry for whatever reason. I don't know what's going on with my camera. And we were at Savers, and they had bags, and I was just on the other day, I was just on Amazon, and I was going to order some of these because I have a project that I want to use these on. And, you know, I like to be able to share. So I have a project that I'm going to use these on, and I was going to order some, and then I went in, and they had a whole bag of them that was all tied up really tight and everything. And I went, what the heck is that? And I went, those are those things I want. So, so I got a bag of them, which was cool. I also got some wire, some craft wire, and this looks to be about 18 gauge craft wire. And I got 2 of those, one in green and one in purple. Kind of cool. I found some rub-ons, and the only reason I got this was because it said whatever. Yeah. And then I saw this, and I was like, oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so this is from England. Okay. Imported to the United States. And you know those, like, vintage photo albums that everybody loves? I saw these, and they're the same type of thing. Only they're just teddy bears. And there's 3 of them in here, and the covers are all different, but the insides are all the same. And they all have these ribbon ties on them, and the ribbon ties are in good condition. The outside box is in good condition, so I figured, you know, I bet somebody would like that, because it is stinking adorable. So I grabbed it, and we got that. And then, what else did I get? Oh, I found these. This is from SEI. And these are die-cut tags. They almost look fabric-y, I guess you could say. Let me see. I could sort of open it and stick my finger in there, and we'll find out. Or not. Oh, there we go. Okay, I can get in there without tearing the package. No, it's paper. It's just very textured. Die-cut tags are perfect for a variety of crafting, gift-giving, and organizing projects. They're uniquely designed with custom patterns that coordinate beautifully with our paper and embellishments. Ooh, personalized with stickers, sundries, and others for an irresistible finishing touch. So I got those 9 tags in there. And what else? Then they had like a bunch of stamps, and normally they put this stuff in a bag, but it wasn't. It was all just individual. So there's this one that I got. This one is just wanted to say ... I got that one. That's from Creative Expressions. This one's from Honeybee Stamps. It just says Merry and Bright. Look how big it is, right? I love it. Then there's this one. Let me take this off of here. There's this one, and this one is What the Doodle Map from Make It Market. And that's what it really looks like. It's like the U.S. and it's got like some roads on it and stuff. And it says, let the adventure begin. So, that's it right there. It's got some trees and like a weird arrow and some mountains and stuff in there. There's a bunch of, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps in there. And I saw this, pond frogs. And I didn't feel anything, so I had to open it up to see. And these are from made in the USA from poppystamps.com. And look, they're froggies. They're really froggies. And they're really in there. And they're that size. So I thought, that's stinking cute, right? Let's put that in there. So got that. And then we got this one. I thought this was hysterical. When what to my wondering eyes should appear but 10 extra pounds on my thighs, hips, and rear. It's from Funny Bones by Riley and Company. And I was like, I gotta get that. And then there was this one, which is from Impression Obsession. It's a rubber stamp. And this one says Potions, Spells, and Zombie Curses. And it's 3-part. Looks like it's been used once. But I got that. And then I got a bag. I know. I got a bag. I had to get at least one bag. Because like all that stuff was single. So I was like, I gotta get a bag. Alright, so I got a bag. Let's see what we got. Shall we? Okay. We got the letter X. It is it's got a magnetic back on it, it says. Then we got this, which is some tiny little stencils. I don't know how many are in there. Or, you know, if they're all the same or... Nope, they're all different. So there's little cling stencils in there. That's cute. Then we got some corners. Some different kinds of corners. These are like fabric. And those look like they're probably fabric. And these are like an aluminum look. And then there's this. Hi Dear. I don't know, some stickers. Scrapbook windows. I don't know. Place over tiny photos, flowers, etc. Attach with nails, brads, eyelets, fibers, many styles available. I don't know. It's like a stencil. Here's some more. Those are rounds. Then there was these. And this. It's a little wooden word from Michaels, and it says friends. So, that's it. That's all I got. It was a quick, you know, quick in and out kind of thing. It's never a quick in and out there. The store is crazy. But, you know, that's the whole point of it, was to go and have... Ooh, I'm going to like that paper in the background. Go and have some a meal with Miss Frances and her husband, and, you know, get to see her while she was in town real quick. She has to be to work tomorrow, and it's a 13-hour drive from here to her house. So, you know, not fun. But we had a good time. Where's the thing. There's Jaws. Had to find Jaws. Little vampire. He gets the staples out for me so I don't poke myself, because I will poke myself. Is that all of them? I think so. I think that's all the staples. Yep, that's all of them. I got them. Okay. So that's it. That's all I have. You know, if you're new here, do the thing, would you? Push some buttons and poke some finger things, and I don't care if it's up or down. Either way, it works for me. But that's it. That's all I got. Love you guys. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.